this is Jamie with Coastal Business Supplies. Today we're going to look at our 4-in-1 mug press. When looking at your mug press, you may notice that an element is already installed in your press. This is most likely your 11-ounce, 15-ounce element. Going over the elements you did receive, you should have received an 11-ounce, 15-ounce element, a 17-ounce latte element, a 12-ounce latte element, and a 10-ounce heating element. You should have also received 2 L bars, a small and a large, for 12-ounce and 17-ounce latte mugs, as well as 2 washers and 2 screws. We're now going to move on to setting up our press. Our first step is going to be plugging in our press. Now we're going to work on interchanging the elements. When interchanging the elements, do make sure that your press is turned off, as they can be very hot. You will notice that you have received a press that either has 4 screws or 4 thumb screws. Remove all 4 screws and remove the wire that leads to the element itself to the press. And when installing, we're going to plug the unit in and then put all 4 screws back in. First, however, we are going to show you how to use your L bar. Again, the L bar is mainly for 12-ounce and 17-ounce latte mugs to hold them in place. You're going to match up the L bar with the element itself, take the washer and place in between the element and the L bar, and then screw into place. We're now going to turn on our press. When turning on our press, you may notice that your press did come in Celsius. We're going to press set until we get to the P3 setting, change to Fahrenheit, and then press set again to get to the P1 setting. P1 will be your temperature. Press the up or down arrow to set your temperature and press set at the end. P2 will be your seconds. Again, press the up or down arrow and press set at the end. P4 will need to be set if your desired temperature and your element are temping at different times. This option can be set as a negative to reduce your temperature or a positive to increase your temperature. P5 is your pre-alert setting. Set this if you would like your press countdown to alert you earlier than the normal 3-second alert. When adjusting your pressure, you will notice a pressure knob on the handle. This knob moves to the right and to the left. When moving to the right, you will loosen up your pressure, and when moving to the left, you will tighten up your pressure. We're now going to press a mug. When pressing our mugs for countdown, you will pull the handle towards you, press the red button on the side for countdown, and then press the red button on the side again to end countdown. Again, as always, if you have any questions or concerns, please give our customer service department or our technical support department a call at 1-800-562-7760.